Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve the Leetcode problem 1757 recyclable and low-fat products. So this problem is about SQL and in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem we are provided with a table named products, and in this products table there are three main columns: product ID, low fats and recyclable. And this product ID is the primary key, and low fat is an enum, and also recyclable is also an enum. And for these two enums the values are either y or n. So simply y means yes and n means no. So here we need to find the IDs of products where these products are both low fat and recyclable. So along with the question, they also have provided us with an example. So in the provided example, the products table is as like this. It has 5 products, and they have provided the values for low fats and recyclable. So we need to find products uh, that that are low fats and recyclable. So we need to find uh, where both low fat and recyclable are set to yes. So this is one product we need, and we also need this one. So our result should be 1 and 3. So you can also see the output they have provided is 1 and 3. So now I think you understand what we have to do. So this is the solution that I wrote. So first we are going to select the product ID from the columns, and we are going to select this column from the table products, and we need to get these product IDs where low fat equals y and recyclable equals y. So that's the simple solution for this problem. I hope you guys understood the process. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. So if so, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.